guys, so I just got from the market and I wanted to show you what I got quickly before I store this in the fridge and show you how I store them for those that go in the fridge. So I got a bag of potatoes there, I got some leeks, green maize. In this bag I have some rosemary, coriander and courgettes. I also got a bunch of bananas. I got a pack of white onion. Here I have broccoli and some limes. I also got some capsicum, mixed bell peppers, yellow, red and green. I got a whole bulb of lettuce. It's really fresh. I can't wait to do a salad on that one, and if you will want the recipe, I have one on my channel, you can check it out. I also got this bag of fruits. I got some apples and some oranges. I also got some mangoes. I have some left, so I only needed to buy 2. I bought some avocado. These are not ripe, so I'll keep these to ripen. I got a bag of carrots. I also got a bag of red onion, then some garlic and some ginger. In the sink I have some spinach. I didn't buy much of the greens because I have a mama mboga just outside our door, so I can get fresh ones when I need. So I got just a small bunch for some smoothies I want to make. I also have a pineapple that I got. I also have this pineapple that I got a few days ago. So yeah, that goes in the fridge as well. So I'm gonna show you how I clean all these vegetables, those that need to be cleaned, and fruits, and then I'm going to show you how I store them in the fridge so we can complete the fridge organization. Okay, so I hope you get something from this. I hope you learn how to clean your vegetables from the market, because I go to the market and often there they don't wash fruits or vegetables, so you have to do it yourself. So I'm going to clean this real quick and show you how I pack them in the fridge. So let's go. so guys, let me take you through a tour of the fridge. So I have finished washing all the vegetables and packed them as you've seen in the video. So I'm gonna start with the door section. So this is where I keep anything that is open, goes here. As you can tell, like you guys, our fridge is just for keeping fresh foods. We rarely have juices and all that processed food, so I keep produce from the market or anything that I buy from the market. But on the door shelves, I put like extra milk that is unopened. I have one that is opened here, some butter, yogurt and tomato paste. In the bottle shelf here, I have a packet of juice, a packet of maziwa, some tonic. I have Worcestershire sauce behind here. So these sauces, once you open them, it's recommended you put them in the fridge. I have my bottle of wine there. I have the soy sauce and I have the red wine vinegar. So that shelf is always like that. So as I've said, we don't usually buy sodas or juices. So we just keep one or two in case we have guests. So this section is more of dairy, and this is opened dairy. So it's, you guys, I buy things every month. I don't like to keep these things. I don't like to keep these things in bulk. So yeah, so I just have what we are using now. Yeah, so this shelf has some extra space. I can put some leftovers, which I rarely have. I like to cook food that we can finish, yeah, because leftovers ain't cute. So this section, so usually when I buy fruits from the market, I like to keep some in the fridge because I won't go to the market till March, so that means 2 weeks of keeping fruits that I can have fresh. So I keep the apples, oranges, a mango that is maybe overripe. This is already a cut mango that I put there. So the first shelf, I like to put fruits in this tray that I got from Naivas. This is a Ken Poly tray. I have so many of these around the house and they help in organizing. Then down here I have another container. As you've seen in the video, I've put carrots and courgettes there in this bag that I saved from, I think it's something that I bought, and I try to save plastic if I can, so I use it to keep spinach or any greens that I have. In these two containers you've seen, I've put my capsicum. One has the green ones and the other one has the colored ones. Next shelf, I have some grapes, I have some lime and some leek. I like to put leek in the fridge because this will stay for a while and I don't want it to go yellow, so I like to keep it in the fridge. I have some space in case I have some leftovers or anything to add into the fridge. So down below I have the lettuce, I have this pineapple, I have the what do we call this? So for the rosemary, I keep it like this in the fridge because one, it has such a delicious scent. It's going to make the fridge smell nice, and also because I want it to fridge dry. There's a process called fridge drying which applies to herbs if you want to keep them for a longer time. So I'll leave this to fridge dry and then I'll remove the rosemary from the stalks and keep them in a container. So explains why I haven't wrapped this. Then I have dhania that I have wrapped here. So in the last vegetable section, which anyway all these vegetables should go, but they can't fit obviously because there are too many, I keep. So in the last box I put tomatoes, and I put both ripe and unripe because by the end of 2 weeks the unripe ones will be ripe. Yeah, so that's basically it. Our fridge is quite basic but it's nice. We try to keep as healthy food as possible, so that's what we have. And so our fridge is quite basic, so just a small run through of how it looks like. I hope you guys learned something. So yeah, so it's recommended that you put the foods in order of which they go bad. So the foods that I like to keep for a longer time are the fruits, and obviously the capsicum and the carrots and the vegetables. So as we go down, I keep the foods that I'm sure I'm going to consume as time goes by. So yeah, so that's how my fridge looks like. It's quite basic but I like it. So a small run through of the freezer too. That's how it looks like. You guys just saw the video, so I hope you guys have learned something. I hope that you've gotten an idea of how you can organize your fruits and vegetables, especially the vegetables in the containers. They come in handy, they stay fresh for the longest time. I promise you, these carrots, I can eat them a month from now and they will still be fresh, as well as the capsicum or the hohos. Anything that I have stored stays for quite a long time. So yeah, so you guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.